Nice to meet you. We are Eteck. A new house. Congratulations. Soon you will be moving into your new home. How exciting! In your new home, Eteck provides sustainable heating in which we have over 20 years of experience. So, in this way, you are helping to reduce CO2 emissions in the Netherlands. Well done! Bart and Samira have also just moved and are enjoying their new home. In the past few months, they had to deal with a lot of things: new furniture, a new kitchen, a new floor, and finding a new school for the kids. Luckily for them, one thing they didn't have to worry about was the heating system in their home. While the neighborhood was being built, Eteck installed a sustainable heat distribution grid. Bart and Samira's home is connected to this grid. By investing in the construction of the heat distribution grid, the technical installation and maintenance, Eteck automatically becomes their heat supplier. All Bart and Samira had to do was sign the agreement. And when the house was completed, they immediately had a warm home and a hot shower. Eteck supplies sustainable heat, which allows them to enjoy a comfortable home. Instead of getting heat from natural gas, they get it from the heat distribution grid. And that heat is created right there, in their neighborhood. How sustainable is that? For example, Bart and Samira's heating system uses heat from the surface water of this nearby lake, which is warmed up by the sun in the summer. This renewable heat can be stored in the ground to use in the winter. This way, they can warm up their home to a nice temperature in a sustainable way. In the neighborhood a little further down, Eteck not only provides heat in the winter, but also cools the houses in hot summer months by piping cold water through the floor instead of hot water. Everything is taken care of for Bart and Samira. Maintaining the Eteck installation doesn't cost them anything extra. That gives Bart and Samira peace of mind. In their previous house, it was up to them to arrange for someone to come by to service the gas boiler. And when the gas boiler had to be replaced, they had to dig deep into their savings. Now they know exactly where their money stands. They pay Eteck a monthly amount for use, maintenance, and if necessary, for replacing the heating system. As homeowners, they do remain responsible for the heat delivery system in their home, including the underfloor heating system and the internal pipework. Through Mijn Eteck Online and the Mijn Eteck app, Bart and Samira receive information and tips about the collective heat distribution grid in their neighborhood and learn how to use the installation in a smart and sustainable way. And do you know what they appreciate most of all? They don't have to make any more big investments to get their home free of natural gas. Now they lead the way together with Eteck. Don't forget to sign your supply agreement and send it to Eteck, so you can fully enjoy your new home too. Eteck, 0 worries, 100% comfort.